Hi guys, welcome back, and today I will show you how to make this simple Neopixel LED light panel. Let's go. Guys, for this project I am using Neopixel LED strip WS2812B and LED controller SP110E. I have not connected the clock of this controller. Rest, VCC, ground and data I have connected to the LED strip. With the help of this controller you can choose whichever pattern you like through mobile. Guys, as you can see there is a big cutout over here, and this cutout was for the wall clock machine, but I am using this wooden plank for this project now. Guys, these are the plates which I got it from the laboratory glassware store, and I had painted it from inner side. I have cut out small pieces of this tubing of equal height and glued it to the LED strip. These pieces will keep the plates at the equal height so that light get diffused properly. Here you can see I had kept the plate directly on the LED strip, but I lift it to the particular height. You can see the light get diffused. Now let's glue all these plates. Guys, let's see what is the app and how it can control. The app name is LED Hue and you can download it from the Play Store. This app uses Bluetooth to control the LED strip, and once it gets connected, you have to enter the total pixel number. Total pixel number are the number of LEDs which you are using in the LED strip. In my case, I am using 25 LED, so I have to enter 25. Once we enter into the app, the top slider adjusts the brightness of the LED and the bottom slider adjusts the speed of the sequence. There are other options. You can choose solid color, different solid colors, or else you can choose from 120 different patterns. Also you can choose specific pattern and mark it, so those patterns will be flashed. Guys, here are some of the patterns. Guys, please check out my next DIY, and thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.